Because here's the other thing that goes with stress. As stress goes up, our immunity goes down. So the higher stress you have, the more likely you are to get sick. So that's another reason why we've got to work on this. So earthing is a huge deal. Hydration is absolutely foundational. The other one that's important, and really, let me put them in order for you, because here's the priority, is we can go for a few minutes without air. We can go for a week or so without food, right? Water, a couple days, right? So you put them in priority order. Air is first, which means, okay, yeah, we're breathing, but when you're stressed, you're not breathing very well. You're breathing all up in your chest. So how can we take deep breaths? How can you put your hand on your stomach or below and take a deep breath so that only your hands move? Chest doesn't move at all. When I do presentations for the audience and I'm asking them, okay, everybody take a deep breath. See the shoulders come up because everybody breathes up here. Got to breathe down here. So that breathing is foundational. Those are those three really big ones, is that earthing, getting on the ground, drinking that water, right? And the breathing.